Good morning, Flagler County. This is Sheriff Rick Staly with a COVID-19 update for Friday and the weekend. Today is National Peace Officers Memorial Day and the end of National Law Enforcement Memorial Week. Today is a day that pays tribute to the local, state, and federal peace officers who have died in the line of duty. We have 5 fallen heroes at the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Traditionally, we would hold a law enforcement memorial ceremony to remember the fallen heroes. However, due to COVID-19, we're having a virtual ceremony instead. Please tune in to our Facebook or YouTube channels today at 10 a.m. to watch a special video to remember the sacrifices of our fallen heroes. Now, on to COVID-19 update. Flagler County has almost 150 cases ranging in age from 7 to 87, so no age group is immune to this virus. Sadly, there have been 4 deaths. Testing continues at Palm Coast campus of Daytona State College for drive-up testing from 9 a.m. to noon. An appointment is still required. Call Advent Health to see if you qualify and schedule an appointment at 877-847-8747. The drive-up site will be closed May 22nd through May 25th for Memorial Day weekend. The testing site at the college will also be closed on Thursday, May 21st, as the county is doing remote testing at Hidden Trails Community Park for residents in that area. An appointment is still needed, and this site is only available to residents of Daytona North, also known as the Mondex. Please call the county's COVID-19 hotline at 386-313-4200 to make an appointment, as testing is limited to pre-qualified individuals. If you are visiting Flagler Beach and wish to bring your dog along, please note that pets are permitted only north of North 10th Street and south of South 10th Street. Pets must be on a handheld leash or harness not to exceed 8 feet in length and must be under control of the handler. Please remember, pick up after your pet. Also, the dog park at Wadsworth Park will be opening today, but the rest of the park remains closed. Now let's talk about Flagler Beach parking and the boardwalk. City officials, in conjunction with the health department, are opening the boardwalk to pedestrian traffic. The tables and pier remain closed. The beach access at the boardwalk will also now be open, along with some limited parking. The parking from 2nd Street South to 6th Street South will remain closed. The Flagler Beach Police Department is strictly enforcing parking, so remember, the off-beach parking in city lots is available just 1 block from the beach. Remember, do not park on sidewalks, dunes were prohibited, and do not park the wrong way, such as the opposite flow of the traffic. Don't have your day at the beach ruined by getting a parking ticket. Remember, the Sheriff's Office does not make these rules. These are decisions made by the Flagler Beach officials in consultation with the health department. City of Palm Coast officials have announced that additional recreational amenities will open with limitations starting Monday, May 18th. The Palm Coast Tennis Center, the Palm Harbor Golf Club, James F. Holland Memorial Dog Park, tennis and pickleball courts only. Belterra Park for tennis and pickleball courts only. Seminole Woods Neighborhood Park for tennis and pickleball courts only. The following recreational amenities and active sports parks remain closed in Palm Coast. The Palm Coast Community Center and Community Center Park. Indian Trails Sports Complex. Palm Coast Aquatic Center will be closed for the entire 2020 season. Ralph Carter Park, all park pavilions and playgrounds remain closed. The restaurants are doing a great job complying with the governor's 25% capacity order, and it's great seeing them starting to reopen. Some have been very creative in their ability to expand outdoor seating, and it's great to see American ingenuity and willpower in action. I don't know about you, but after 2 months without a haircut, my wife and I were glad to see the barber shops, hair, and nail salons open. I was able to get an appointment at 5 p.m. yesterday for a haircut, and my wife was able to get her nails done, and she's getting her hair done today. Please remember the wait staff and salon workers have been out of work for 2 months, and if you can tip a little extra, that would be a great time to do so. Let's also help our restaurants by eating out locally and being patient if we have to wait a little longer for a table, since they are only operating at 25% capacity. Remember, they have takeout and delivery options too. As a reminder, the CDC continues to recommend the wearing of a cloth face covering when out in public and to continue practicing social distancing. This is specifically encouraged in retail establishments and restaurants. The CDC continues to recommend that high-risk populations stay at home and take all measures to limit their risk of exposure. Follow us to stay up to date on our social media platforms at Flagler